You want to build a Laravel app, but you type Laravel new and get command not found. Let's fix everything from scratch: PHP, Composer, Modules, Laravel, and essential packages. Let's check if PHP is installed. Not found. No worries, we'll install it with Homebrew. Homebrew will install PHP 8.4 along with all the common extensions Laravel needs. PHP is installed with all the essential modules, and let's verify the PHP version. Let's also check which PHP modules are loaded. These are the ones Laravel requires to run. Now let's install Composer, the dependency manager for PHP. Think of it like npm for Node. Composer is ready. Let's verify the version. Now we'll install the Laravel Installer globally so we can use the Laravel command anywhere. The installer is downloading and setting up. We need to add Composer's global bin directory to our path so the terminal can find the Laravel command. Now the Laravel command works globally. Let's verify all the PHP extensions Laravel needs are installed. We're checking for pdo, mbstring. Let's also install the Redis PHP extension. You'll need this if you want to use Redis for caching or queues. Now, let's check the PHP memory limit. The default one will bump it up to 512 megabytes. This prevents out-of-memory errors during package installation. You might also want to increase the upload file size limit in PHP. .ini for handling file uploads in your app. Now the exciting part, let's create a brand new Laravel project. The installer asks if you want a starter kit. We'll choose Laravel Breeze with Blade and Alpine, a lightweight auth scaffold. The application is ready. Here's the project layout. You've got your app directory, routes config, database migrations, and the .in file for environment setting. We copy the example .env file and generate a unique application key. Let's install some essential development packages. First, Laravel Debugbar. It adds a debug toolbar to your browser. Next, IDE Helper. This generates helper files so your code editor gives you better auto-completion for Laravel. Run the generate command to create the helper files right away. Finally, Laravel Telescope, a beautiful debug assistant that shows requests, queries, jobs, and more. Now let's install the front-end dependencies and build the assets with Vite. Time for the moment of truth. Let's start the Laravel development server. The server is running on port 8000. Let's verify it's actually working. We get a 200 OK response with the Laravel welcome page. Everything is working perfectly. The artisan about command shows us a summary. PHP 8.4, Laravel 12, Composer 2.8, debug mode enabled. Everything is configured.